Imagine checking into a hotel, hitting the road, or upgrading your daily routine with gadgets so smart they feel like they're from the future. From hidden privacy tools to game-changing car accessories, today's lineup is packed with inventions that make life easier in ways you never expected. Stick around until the end, because the last gadget could save the day when you least expect it. And if you love discovering incredible tech, subscribe to Nexvora for more amazing finds. All product links in description below. Imagine walking into a hotel room and wondering if someone could be watching without you knowing. It's an unsettling thought, and tiny hidden cameras are becoming easier to hide than ever before. That's where the drone wing hidden camera detector steps in. Using advanced infrared scanning and RF signal detection, it helps locate suspicious devices in seconds. Compact, rechargeable, and easy to carry in your pocket, it's perfect for hotels, rentals, dressing rooms, and offices. Peace of mind is something you can't put a price on, and once you travel with it, you'll never want to leave home without it. Ever wished you had extra storage exactly where you needed it? Whether you're working in the garage, organizing your kitchen, or tackling a DIY project, clutter slows everything down. This foldable 3-tier rolling cart keeps your essentials within arm's reach. Its sturdy metal frame, smooth rolling wheels, and collapsible design make it easy to move and store. Set it up in seconds, then fold it flat when you're done. Suddenly, every workspace feels cleaner, faster, and far more organized. Your old storage setup will never feel the same again. Picture this. You're parked, enjoying lunch, but balancing food, your phone, and your drink turns into a juggling act. It gets messy fast. This clever cup holder table instantly creates a stable mini desk right inside your car. It securely fits most cup holders and provides space for meals, laptops, tablets, or paperwork. Adjustable height and rotation let you position it exactly where you need it. Whether you're road tripping or taking a quick work break, it completely transforms your car into a functional workspace. Long road trips can feel endless when passengers get bored after just a few minutes. Holding a tablet quickly becomes uncomfortable, especially for kids in the back seat. The Fangor car headrest mount holder solves that instantly. Its sturdy mounting system securely holds most tablets and smartphones while allowing smooth, 360-degree rotation for the perfect viewing angle. Installation takes only moments, and the stable grip minimizes shaking during the drive. Suddenly, every trip feels shorter, quieter, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Once your family uses it, road trips become something everyone looks forward to. Imagine taking your dog on an adventure without worrying about muddy paws, fur, or scratched seats. Every pet owner knows how quickly a clean car can turn into a mess. The Six Heels Dog back seat cover creates a comfortable, waterproof space that keeps both your pet and your interior protected. Its durable, scratch-resistant fabric, non-slip backing, adjustable straps, and mesh viewing window keep your furry friend secure and relaxed. Every ride becomes cleaner, safer, and far more enjoyable. Your four-legged passenger will love every mile. Picture this. You're miles from home. Turn the key, and nothing. A dead battery can ruin your entire day in seconds. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 is a compact jump starter that delivers up to 1,000 amps, enough to jumpstart many 6-liter gasoline and 3-liter diesel engines. Its ultra-safe technology helps reduce sparks and reverse polarity mistakes, while the built-in flashlight and USB charging add extra convenience. It's small enough for your glove box, but powerful enough to rescue your road trip. This is the backup you'll be thankful you packed. Ever been asked for your registration or insurance card, only to dig through a messy glove box? It's frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry. The Lumi Maki Premium Document Holder keeps everything neatly organized in one slim case. Multiple clear sleeves separate registration papers, insurance cards, licenses, and other important documents for quick access. The premium finish gives it a clean, professional look while protecting papers from damage. It's a small upgrade that makes every interaction smoother. You'll never search through loose papers again. Dust has a way of finding every tiny corner inside your car, making even a freshly cleaned interior look neglected. Regular cloths often miss vents, buttons, and narrow spaces. The Relentless Drive Professional Duster Brush is designed with ultra-soft, lint-free bristles that lift dust without scratching delicate surfaces. It's perfect for dashboards, air vents, instrument panels, and trim pieces. Lightweight and comfortable to use, it makes quick cleanups effortless. Just a few passes can make your cabin feel fresh again. Your car will always look road trip ready. Imagine giving your older car a modern infotainment system without replacing the dashboard. Tiny phone screens and tangled cables can make navigation frustrating. The Krunia 9.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen brings a large, crystal-clear display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. It connects quickly, supports voice assistants, Bluetooth, and navigation apps, keeping your eyes closer to the road. Installation takes just minutes, and the driving experience instantly feels smarter, cleaner, and more connected. Your car suddenly feels years newer. Ever climbed into your car only to realize it doesn't have Bluetooth? Constantly plugging in cables can get old fast. The SyncWire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter upgrades your stereo in seconds. Enjoy stable wireless music, hands-free calling, and fast USB charging from one compact device. Bluetooth 5.4 helps provide a strong, reliable connection with low latency, while the built-in microphone keeps conversations clear. It's a simple upgrade that makes every commute smoother. Once you use it, wired connections feel like history. Picture this. An unexpected incident happens on the road, and suddenly every detail matters. The Wolfbox G930 replaces your standard mirror with a smart 10-inch display that records in crisp 4K from the front while capturing the rear view simultaneously. Built-in Wi-Fi makes transferring footage easy, and the wide viewing angle helps reduce blind spots. Day or night, it keeps a reliable record of your drive. It adds confidence every time you get behind the wheel. That's protection you'll appreciate long before you ever need it. What if a small accident happens during a road trip, a camping adventure, or even a quick grocery run? Those first few moments matter the most. A compact mini first aid kit keeps essential emergency supplies organized and ready whenever you need them. Packed into a lightweight, portable case, it's easy to store in your glove box, backpack, or trunk without taking up much space. From minor cuts to everyday mishaps, having the basics within reach can make all the difference. It's one of those items you'll never regret carrying. So, which gadget impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your favorite. If you enjoyed today's tech discoveries, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Nexvora, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next collection of incredible gadgets that can make life smarter, easier, and a whole lot more fun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.